Hi, I'm Richard Byrne. In this video, I'm going to give you an updated overview of Focusable, which is a tool that I mentioned in a blog post this morning, and it's something I've been using for the last 2 months to help me avoid procrastinating when I have a big list of things to do or when I have a big project that I need to keep track of and I've been kind of putting it off. So let's go ahead and take a look at getfocusable.com. You can use it right in your web browser or you can install it on your mobile device. And here's how it works. You can see here I have these progressions. And progressions are basically just the thing that you're working on. So for example, today on my list of things to do, I have fill out my passport renewal paperwork. Not something terribly hard, but something I'll probably put off unless I force myself to do it. So let's go up here to the new button and I'm going to rename my progression and I'm going to call this progression do passport paperwork. Now, if I wanted to share this with a group of other people, I could put it in my class, but I'm not going to because this is just a personal thing that I need to get done. I need some help getting started on it. So I hit that save button and it says set a goal for this time. You can set this for as little as 5 minutes or you can make it as long as you want. And before you do that, if you want a little help focusing, you can do one of these visualization activities or one of these breathing activities that they suggest, or just start the timer. In this case, I'm going to start the timer and then I'm going to go work on my passport paperwork. So now that I've worked for my 5 minutes, Focusable tells me to briefly record my focus, and the updated version of Focusable now has you just hold down the record button and talk. I'm with my face right in there. I did a few minutes worth of work filling out my paperwork for my passport, and now I'm going to finish it up. I'll follow the prompt, take a deep breath, say how did I feel while I was working on that. I'll say that I was persevering. It's really in flow, I was persevering. And now I have the option to do another breathing exercise, visualization exercise, do a movement exercise, or simply hit done and walk away. In this case here, I'm going to work for 10 more minutes. I could adjust that up or down. But for now, I'm going to work for 10 more minutes, and then I'll record my progress once again. And so now my 10 minutes are up, and I'm going to record myself once again. Hey, I finished my work. Way to go, me. And I'll take my deep breath, and I'll say, I crushed it. And since I finished all my paperwork in that 15 minutes, I'm just going to click on done and call it a day for that progression. Now you can see here one of the updates since the last time I made a video about Focusable is that it gives you a little summary of your sessions, your recordings, your breathings and visualizations, if you did any or not. And so you can see that for all of your sessions here. And you can see that one I spent almost 12 hours on with 49 recordings and 12 sessions. I did a lot in that one. Now I'm all done and I can go ahead and say I'm all done for the day with that particular assignment. So that's an overview of Focusable. I think it's a great tool to help you get started when you're procrastinating on some tasks that you need to get done. As always, for more things like this, please check out freetechforteachers.com or subscribe to my YouTube channel.